Hi, my name is Erin. Today my son Theo and I will teach you how to make this pot holder. It's a really fun project and they work great in the kitchen or as presents for family members. The project takes about 30 minutes. Have fun!
The first step is to remove the packaging. Next, stretch loops from the left side to the right side. Fill all of the pegs. Now, stretch one loop from the top to the bottom left peg, cross-weaving under and over each loop that was placed from left to right. From the next top left peg, stretch another loop over and under the left-right loops. Repeat alternating over and under threads and under and over threads until the frame is full. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Just pull out the thread and start over. Once you have finished threading the entire frame, you need to seal the edges. Seal the edges by beginning at a corner and inserting the loop next to it through the hole, as shown. Continue doing this around the entire pot holder. This is what the edges of your pot holder should look like once you have finished sealing them. With the last loop, you can pull it out and use it as a holder for your pot holder. And that's it! You can use this pot holder to hold your hot beverages. We hope that you enjoyed learning how to make this pot holder, and thanks for watching!